Today we're gonna do 5 minutes flat tire fix. So I found this buddy down here. This screw is in my tire, so that's why I am losing the air. I have my own tire repair kit. I'm gonna use it. As you can see, all the tools are inside of my kit. It's making it a lot easier for me to have. So we're gonna put this buddy here. So let's open up. We'll use this tool to make a hole wider, and I'm gonna need a plier to pull out the screw from my tire. I'm gonna lube the tool to make my life easier when I insert in the tire. I'll show you later on. Preparing is important, so I prepared this plug patch ready to insert in my tire once the screw is out of the tire. So I'm gonna need a plier to pull out the screw out of my tire. So sometimes it can take little force to pull out, or you can use as a screwdriver as well, but right now I'm just making it faster to just use my pliers. There you go, it's out right now, and right away I'm gonna put this one in to make the hole little wider, so it's kinda easy to insert the plug patch in there. So let's do it. I'm putting closer, so it's gonna be more easier once I take out this tool out of the tire. So right away, without losing any air, I can put the plug in. Since I am near the air pressure pump, it's not gonna be difficult for me, but to make it easy, if you are away from the tire shop or the gas station where they have the air pressure hose, you can use it quickly as soon as possible without losing too much air. So you can see over here, like right away I put the plug in to make it easier, and put it pushing very hard down straight, and that's it. So 1, 2, 3, done. Now I'm gonna cut the extra piece is coming out of the tire. This plug the extra piece, so it's not gonna bother me later on, and the rest goes automatically. Once we drive, it's gonna go down. So after this putting the plug, I want to make sure there's no leak. I have to use soapy water or Windex. You can use the soap and water mixture to put on and make sure there are no bubbles. So right now I'm using the Windex. Let's see if there are any bubbles or no. So there are no bubbles. It's showing no signs of any air leak. It's showing that the tire job is done. It's taking me a little while to make a movie as well. Otherwise, I can do, I can do it very quickly without removing the wheel. So as you can see, I have the air pressure gauge over here with within my range. So I'm gonna use 3/4. This machine is gonna take 3/4, 75 cents for air pressure to come out. There you go. So let's fill the air. I'm gonna put some extra air in the tire because sometime if the tire when we are driving lose the air to make it balance, so by that way I can figure out how much air, if I'm losing or not losing any air, but I can take out the extra air later on by self. The inside screen is showing the extra air, like up to 47 I have on the front wheel. I will take it out later on. That's it. I hope it helps. Thank you.